Hello friends, welcome back here. This is the new color for Nike Sacai VaporWaffle, and this one is the tower yellow, ready to ship. If you want to copy this one, please check out on my web link bioshop.ru. And also for this style, we have two other colors like the black white and the white red. You can pick up any color you want. And today this one is the yellow green. So let me show the details. You can check the whole side here. About the yellow part got the net design, and the green part here is the thread. And for Nike shoes, this part got double Nike shoes. One is the white painting. Maybe you can't see very clearly, but this one also is the Nike shoes and also the temple leather Nike shoes. And the bottom is so very special, got different layers. And check out the turbans. This is the shape. And the front here, but let's say it's got white and black one. Also got double layers shoe tom on the shoe tom here. Outside layer is the white got the net design, and the other one underneath is the nylon black one. On the top got the Nike and the Nike logo, Nike Sacai. And check out the inner side. Inner side only got one Nike shoes. It's the green temple leather. And the yellow part. This design is very good for breathing, and also can wear very comfortable. And the bottom is the black one, got the Nike in the middle. And check out the back side. For the back side of this one is very special. You can look at this part, very like mouse. And this is my opinion. And got the pull tab, Nike Sacai print there. And also got the yellow Nike shoes embroidered there. And about the inside, on the shoe part got Nike Sacai. It's the white color on the part. And about this color is the white color. We here only choose good material to make the shoes in the best conditions, so please don't worry. And if you got more orders, can get more discounts. For more details, please check out on my website. Thanks for seeing you next video. Bye bye.